Hi everyone, this is Rajesh. I'm a click trainer from Uplatz. Today we are going to continue with the POC, how we select the POCs and how to make POCs. Once we create that POC, again we are going to be get the sign up for that POC. POC is for a UI side. In previous session, I already covered with the data side, how with the data model and how to do the checklist, right? It's a kind of a our data is correctly matching with the source data. Once you ensure that thing, this is a second step, UI side. Once you get the sign up for the UI side, means that POC. We exactly need to stick with the theme, color coding, everything that is fall under theme only. Layout, right? How should we make that layout? That thing I will tell you. We have one, right? I already explained this. If you are using any third-party extensions, means most of the Visualips we use in enterprise editions. Once you use that Visualips, you can use this Figma. Otherwise, if it is you are not using any third-party extensions, don't use a Figma backgrounds because it won't align with the default buttons and settings. Uh, I will show you here one sample layout, horizontal and vertical. See if you yeah. If you like, this is our collection sheet. Just assume we need to create a proper banner, and here it could be placed like it will tell about the application. For example, here you can mention, and this banner should be in a different color. Yeah. This is the banner header means and one more banner. This can be used for the just navigation part. I'm changing this as a bit. Uh, Here you can place the all the buttons, navigation button like yeah. This is the horizontal layout. Uh, Everything like a banner, this navigation part and logo, and what is the dashboard. and here we can show the latest reload time. Means we have a one function last reload time, you can able to get that I will show you. uh, uh, this is once we done with this, just stick with the color themes everywhere. This doesn't change, this above banner and below colors, and wherever the you are in, right? For example, I'm in the home. Here I'm in the home. Just highlight this with the just dark colors. Otherwise, you can use remaining colors. All the other colors will be the like a. If you select our mouse over, you can able to do the changes. There we have a lot of settings in the button objects. Once this part is done, again you can make a vertical part. For example, I'm converting this as a vertical. This just leave it for a dashboarding part for the above this much of length. Just remove this. We are already covering the this part, right? And this part you can ignore, like leave it for the. Yeah. This part you can leave it for the naming, for the title, sheet title or dashboard title, and here you can place that latest refresh time, and here will be the all the vertical navigation buttons. These vertical buttons should be navigate through the entire applications, and placement should be same. For example, here I'm using this 81 and 48, 482. Everywhere you need to make sure they should be same height and length, and these buttons placement also should be same place. Otherwise it feels like a, whenever you navigate the sheet to sheet, it doesn't appear like you are navigating to other applications. That, and that is a completely bad practice. For that you need to just prepare a layout and sheets. Everywhere you need to create a that layout, just copy paste it, and everywhere you need to highlight the button. For example, I have a sales dashboard and marketing, or sales dashboard and deep dive. Here this is the home page. Usually we put the landing page. In landing page we give the some a description, or some about a kind of a page for the dashboard. There we will put the navigation as well. High level means, for example, I have a segment: sales, marketing, purchase. If I have these high level, only high level I can keep it in the landing page, and throughout that landing page we can navigate into the deep dive pages. That is the one part. And that means we won't put every page buttons, just we put the very high level buttons that could be navigate the main sheets. There we can provide the deep dive pages, some additional pages, right? For example, sales dashboard in deep dive, marketing deep dive. We won't put the deep dive, just we put that navigation into the main dashboard. This is called a kind of a navigation and layout. This should be taken care like a while you creating a POC. POC create a very good impact when you create a like a good navigation, and if you choose a very decent colors and theming, and then that is the main first impress. Once you done that, you don't miss like a, for example, I'm showing a very high level UI and just and delivering the very basic UI that won't accept and that will give a very reverse back. It's we ensure to just stick with the reality, like don't put a very for example, if I'm creating a sales dashboard or HR operational dashboards, if I put a matrix level UIs in the POCs, it's completely unreal, like they won't accept on when you develop the application. For that only, just keep it in your mind, like it should be reality and colors, everything should be very decent. For example, if you for example, if I'm creating a project for Amazon, Amazon application as a separate color theme. Just we need to take that color theme, just prepare with the POCs, and just keep in your mind, like what are we are showing, what are we are analyzing. Those UIs visualization, just keep it in your mind. Don't go beyond that. Like if you create a like a kind of matrix level UIs, don't do that. That is the very biggest or blender mistake. Usually do the people do create a POCs or downloading POCs some other third party websites, and just and they get the sign off. That time we'll hear very positive comments and very positive feedback. But if you deliver your original application, it completely you will get a you complete opposite feedback, very negative feedback. For that only, just we need to try to stick with the a proper theming and layout. This is the one thing I want to like you need to keep it in your mind. This is one thing. Once we done this POC, just we will send it to the user, and they will provide the sign off. Just keep it in your mind, like while creating application, just take same POC, just upload it in the we have a QMC. I will show you that. Until we discussed about the this personal workspace, whenever you create the applications, that is everything built and everything will you only can access, and you only will be if you want to do any additional changes and anything, you only can do. It's completely visible to you only. Now just we need to develop one application here, and again it should be maintained or hosted in the server. uh, MC. It's not giving a proper resolution. Yeah. See, this is a completely, you can see it in the different way, right? This is a completely in a different format. This is a completely in different format. We call it as a QMC, where we apply publish apps, right? These are the apps, and these are the streams. Streams nothing but a here you will see the main titles, for example, apps, main titles. Once you click that, here you can able to see all the related application to that stream name. For example, here if it has a sales, every sales related dashboards will it visible here, and there we have a different kind of task, right? Once you whenever you entered here, unpublished apps will be seen shown here. That is the default selection, and unpublished apps list will be shown here. Just you need to click that application, and below you will get the you will be get the options like publish or replace change or some kind of a owner change. These kind of options will be visible. And once you done that, just publish and select that stream. That will some small window will be pop up. There you can select the application. If it is already in that stream, you need to overwrite application. Otherwise it always it will go up from your workspace and it will appear in the stream. If it is a first time, if you are overwriting in the already existed application, you just click on the overwrite. You have that copy within your workspace, and again same copy, same version will be available in the servers for the specific stream. This is the one thing you do. Yeah, that is the one part. Once you complete that like it's all different part, maintenance and publishing, maintenance and refresh and create task, for example. We have a task right here, you can able to see. If you select that application, go to that stream, select that application, you can create a task by event or scheduled based. Event means whenever if you want to create a dependency task, for example, I have a layer architecture, extract layer, transform layer, and final application. In extract layer, we create a scheduled based task. For example, every Friday end of the day we want to refresh it. There you can able to select the time zones and times, a specific time to trigger that task. Once the task is completed, we can create a dependency task for the transformation layer. The dependency task will check with the extract layer is succeeded or not. If it is succeeded, it will go for the next task, that is a transformation. Same dependency task we can again create for it a final application. A dependency, once dependency task is completed, that will check our third task will check the depend like event based, right? That means once it success, again that will start the refreshing the final application. Once the final application is refreshed, your complete task will be refresh task will be complete. This is the kind of a maintenance we do in regular basis. Coming to the application, just I mentioned right how to show the latest refresh. We have a function reload time. Just give the bracket open and close. See, it is coming entire format. I don't want to see the here only. I will show you that this is the one thing by using same thing. See, I'm not using any data. I just using functions. By functions also you can able to create these kind of values. And symbol, just give this hyphen for separating these two. Just copy this reload function, enter here, and here just give the month. See, I want to see the full month name. That's why I gave the uh, triple M means, for example, in January, it will show the Jan. Here we missed the end symbol in between these two. See, in entire thing, just we pick the December 24 means if it is a month level data, you need to show that. If it is a day level data, just add one more date column. It will give the date, month, and year. If you want to again show this time, just give the above format. That will give the time format. Yeah, this is the one way to keep our dashboard, like where here you can keep that latest refresh time, and this will show the whenever this refresh is done. I want to show you one more additional things. And this is just earlier I just showed the mtd right. The same thing I want to perform with the chat gpt or copilot also fine. Yeah, just use a copilot, chat gpt, whatever you want. Just uh, you need to explain what you want. Earlier we used to create one post in the click community, and we'll wait for answers, then we'll do work. Like whenever you got stuck in any complex scenarios, that time you need to we need to approach a click team. Even we directly mail to the click tech employees, and they will answer our queries. That way we do communication. But nowadays we don't want to do that kind of a circus. Just we can use the AI tools. Here we have a Copilot is a one of the best AI tool, and Chat GPT, that also you can able to use for these. See, I want to I want to generate a MTD values by using a set analysis. Here See, this will give the exact value. Just you need to modify here. Sorry, I think this is a YTD, right? I will do it within MTD. This, I think we changed based on our discussions. Month ID, max month ID anyway. Part 8 will give, this will be the our MTD value. Uh, Same thing, just I want to put with the, see, just tweak this as a order date and don't use a today. uh, mm, this is giving the wrong values. Just use it with the same date column. Never use the today, that will create a lot of confusions in the data. Yeah, it is not showing that month start date. Yeah, this is not set. Try to tweak that exact code, but it is not uh, right way. Mm, by using, avoid today. See, this way you need to modify your query, then you will get the proper calculations. For this, we need to create a variables. Actually, this is giving a very lengthy process. It's very simple. Actually, we can use the sum that max we maxed it also. Max always return the number. That's why we need to define the date formatting. Here, date is, yeah. In this way we have it, and here you can able to see evaluated value. Create it. Here you can see the evaluated value. This is a maximum date. When this is done, see this is the one you can change that as well. Yeah, this will take from the parameter. How parameter will set in the default dates. It will take that. See month, date, year, month, date. But this should be matched with our date, order date format. Mm. Here it has a different format. Month, date, year. Got it. Hmm. Uh, Data. Yeah. This is not reflecting properly. Okay, without variables also we can request. In this way, we can able to tweak the code. This this is the parameter. You can set that default parameter values. Then this will match with the our original format. See, stillative month, date month here, and this should be Date, year. Mm, It's not taking. Date, month, year. Date, month, year. Date, month, year. Right. It's giving. Okay. Actually, we are doing this mistake. Month, we are taking it as a year. Date, month, year. Actually, this is taking a right format only. Month, day to month, year, day to month, year, and we have a same values. Day to month, year, day to month, year. Just if I give the values like Okay, if I give the this one, what will it happen? Okay, I will do one thing. Same thing, I will add it in the variable. But this is a not not a right practice. Just I'm try to tweak the achieve the whatever that AI generated code. Just here I want to set it up. We current data. This is the current data maximum, and we can set it one more variable. V minimum date, and here we can provide a same 1 12 2017. If it is not working, then the issue with the trial version, because whatever we are setting up, that should be range. It's not a here I can take a then are equal to dollar of v. अरे यार, it got freezed. If you see here, I can take a one more. See, if you see this one is freezed. Means somewhere it is blocked. यार, we closed this for here. And this is at least this should work with this. Date, month, year. Okay. Hmm. This one. I don't know. It should work. Just we are setting up the range, month start and month end. It should work. I don't know why it is not giving values. Uh, we simply setting up the range. See here, I will show you. Here month ID, right? Same thing. Just we greater than or equal to 48 and less than or equal to 45. And this is giving the -3 means three months rolling 3 months values. But I don't know why what happened here. It should show the no what happened this I don't know. Other date. Maybe it is taking as a text. I don't know. Will take will convert this as a date. Month two. This is the original format. Just we need to define the original format, and this is the desired one. We want to take uh, month, date, year, right? Here month, date, month, year, date, date, month, year. Yeah, it's issue with the date format. Either it is taking as a it is taking as a text or treating as a text. That's why it's not coming here. It is whenever we set the. Yeah, I think we have a. Yeah, no. Very simple change here. I didn't recognize this. I will show you what is the happening here. See, they are like a AI set the less than or equal to here, but it's not set here. That is the issue. A small change, like now it is working. Yeah, this is showing the same thing, right? 8383829. Max. Same value is coming 83829. Just you need to take the format 83829. In this way, you can able to backtrack with the provided code, and you can create. But the thing is, see multiple formats. It explained, but everywhere it, if you see everywhere it is missing with the range. This is the this is a mistake in the AI generated thing. Here it is setted, but it is missing here. This is one thing, and I want to show you few. Yeah, in this way you need to prepare in descriptive way, like what is a click sense. Just it's a business intelligence tool. We visualize the data, raw data into the visualization, and we can provide insights and analysis throughout the data. And what are the key features of ClickSense? Include self-service, that is the main thing, and it's associative architecture in memory engine, um, everything like whatever we explained, right? Every data columns will be associated with the each other. That way you can able to explain. Associative data model. Associative data model, nothing but we created the I want to show you in physical format what is the associative. Yeah. See, and this return order is associate to the order ID within the fact table. This is the returns is the dimensional table. If I want to, everything is interacting, right? Everything is impacting with the selection. That is called associative architecture. And backend, you need to specify these lines, right? These association between the tables. That also you can able to give example. This is the one thing you need to. Yes, a few people are asking very in depth, like how they yeah, they try to test whether you have a real time experience or not, and that time it will be useful. And how do you handle large data sets in ClickSense? By uh, that is what I explained with the three layer architecture. In three layer architecture, we create a QVDs. By QVDs, you can implement the incremental load, and that is also I covered in the data model part. Whenever the incremental load that saves the refresh time. Very large data sets will take almost in my experience 11 and 13 hours also it took for the refresh. Yeah, that is the full load. If you implement an incremental load, only updated or recently added records only gets merged with the existing data. That is, first you need to load the entire data. You need to create a QVDs. That is a historical data. After that, every incremental values will append to that existed QVDs, and it will keep on increase the row count. That way you can able to do for the large data sets. What is set analysis? Just we know about that. We practically created a few expressions. Set expression nothing but see, this is the associative architecture. Means everything will be in within associate. If you want to filter out the set of values, set of data, we just using the set analysis. In set analysis, we have like I showed a one diagram. Just refer that. There is a I explained in clearly. We need it's a identifier operator uh, uh, like mathematical also like whenever you create a equal to greater than these kind of things uh, that will include in the set analysis. It is starting with the curly brackets, ending with the curly brackets. Modify entire set analysis will placed in the within the angular brackets. That is the one thing. What type of charts are available in ClickSense? Just you need to go. I explained in the UI side. We have everything. Uh, if you see here, this question about this bar chart, box plot, bullet chart, button, combo chart, distribution chart, filter, pan. Like few are, I already explained that in detail. Like few are kind of widgets, few are the charts. You need to specify these are the KPIs, charts, everything you need to specify, and buttons and filters you need to categorize with the widgets. How do you create a drill down in ClickSense? I already showed that. Again, I will tell you. Here, dimension, go to the dimension and drill down. This is a drill down. Year, month, and create it. If you want to create a specify, you can. I think it gets created. It gets created. Nothing but if you select this one, it will take you to drill down data month, year to month. And if you see, we selected a 2014. These months entirely in within the 2014. That is the drill down. You can take any challenges, kind of how you separated text with the special character, those kind of, and how you overcome the data related issues, and how you done the by using, for example, I have a lot of synthetic keys. by qualifier or some removing fields. I overcome that. How do you ensure data security? This is section access. I already added, showed with you. This is very high level 10. You can ask many questions at just prepare in the way how firstly in the data model, like gathering data model, and data after data model, how you are matching data with the source data, and after out to how you are doing with the POCs, and how you are creating the objects. In this way, in this flow, you need to prepare a questions. Then you get a lot many questions, and you can get the answers, and just list out, and just write answers. And just for example, I want to know answer about any specific questions. Just go with the chat GPT or any AI tool. Just here I'm showing a Copilot. Um, what is the yeah, this is see, this is giving entire, when with the example, it is showing. uh, right, in this way you can able to prepare your own question and answers. This is a one thing I want to, and prepare a Clag. I think Clag is one of the data sources, sample data you can get. Just uh, Kaggle, right? Yeah, Kaggle is the one of the best source for data sources. Data sets you can get thousands of projects by adding here, like a login here. You will get that data. This is the one of useful URL. Just make a note for the data sets. Once you done this, just go with the one more I have. Go to the any image related apps, like a kind of a Pinterest. There you will get the just search about the dashboard layout and dashboard models. You will get a number of templates. There you can by using this one, right? Figma, you can able to create like a layout and all. This is a one thing. And one more thing is a color palette. Whenever you create a dashboarding, right? I will tell you one thing. Here you are creating these dashboards, like buttons and everything. Just keep it a color code. For example, this is what is the color code for this? This is the color code. Just make a notes on color codes. Any, for example, if it is a sales dashboard, just create one notepad plus naming as a dashboard name, and create a color code, font size, the font family, these kind of information you can keep it there. This is one thing about I need to tell. And one more thing, color picker from Adobe. Adobe colors. This will give the entire color palette values whenever you find any image within the that Pinterest or somewhere dashboard you can find, and just take that image and just drag and drop here. It will entirely show the values like let me know if I have anything. See, I got a every color with using in this, right? If you want to use or if you want to change, you can able to do this. Yeah, in this one, you will it will give the hexa color code, and you will pick it and you will directly add it in the objects. This is the one thing. Um, Color theming and layout, everything is settled done. And then Kaggle should be used for the data thing. Yeah, and prepare with the yeah questions with the AI tools and scenario based. Whenever you prepare your own data sets, then only you can be able to answer scenario based interview questions. Otherwise, you can't able to answer those. For that, you need to pick the like a sample data from Kaggle, and you need to prepare a multiple dashboards. See, this is the it will give the trial version, 30 days trial version. It will whenever it trial completed, one more 15 days will be extended trial period. It will give whenever you requested, it will give that. This is one thing you need to do. Uh, They create a multiple different dashboardings by using this sequence, and prepare your own complex codings. For example, I showed you the rolling 6 months and YTD, MTD, right? Similar way, you can find many kind of most used calculations in you can search it in Google and you will get that. Just prepare that, and while you creating that measures and all, you will get to know the real time question and answers. Yeah, that's it. It's completely covered clicks, components, dashboarding, data modeling, and we create a one operational dashboard, and we created a one mini project that will answer you the scenario based. And I just now we covered a QMC. Yeah, that is it. It is the end of the course for this session, and all the best and happy learning. Thank you.